you're going to tell me that you did some community work somewhere, don't just tell me you did the work. I can see that in your transcripts. I can see that in your resume written out. Tell me what's not there. Really, the essay is this one chance you have to show to the admissions committee that you are different, that you are unique. And if you think of it, that's really what they're looking for. They're looking for people who are unique. So show that side to them, and try to make your essays not as wordy or as charismatic in the English language, but in actually that's what you want having substance. Try to make, if you're stuck with your essays, try to make a list of all the essays you have to write. So, and try to detail your thinkings in terms of moments that you remember. Just the details and the moments, they matter. Talk it out a lot before you write. And you don't just have to have a unique topic. It's just got to be you, right? I mean, 5 things that should never be in your essays. Firstly, your essay should never be a chronological order of your resume. I already see in your resume. Try to make your essay not have literally not have anything that was written in your resume or in your Common App essay. Even at least have your essay be something like, maybe it's referring to something that was written over there. Like maybe you were a champion at some game and you're talking about what happened in that game. So in the transcript, it just says, or in the resume, you were a champion of this, softball somewhere. But in the essay, you actually write something about how you got your butt kicked in the game of, softball. Don't be generic. This is a big mistake I see. People, particularly this I see with, people who've gone through a very hard time. Like they maybe have had sexual assault problems or unfortunate things have happened in their life. If you make your answer too generic, if your essay, without providing details, I realize details are they hurt you at times. The more the details, the more I'm likely to believe you. Understand that me as a reader, I'm trying to see, are you just trying to impress me or this is real you? Okay? So be more detail oriented. If you did something for days, say I did it for 4 days and a quarter of the last day. It's important to say those things. This one I see a lot, like, I got an A. Everything is about, oh, how cool am I? Look at me, I was down in the dumps and then I got an A and I got a B here and A plus over here. I can see that. I can see that in your essay. I can see that in your transcripts. I don't need you to tell me that. If you want to tell me how you went about it, you did something unique, some special circumstances in which you want to talk about, tell me that. I know you have an A. I don't like words like, I'm hardworking, honest, passionate, ambitious. Tell me a story that says that. Then there's the mission trip essay. I went to Timbuktu or I went to Kuala Lumpur and I helped 5 kids. I was a part of a team that made 10 houses. Well, you did that for 1 week of your life. And possibly your parents had some pull in the church that they got you over there. Or you went to, you went to San Francisco and you saw a homeless person. That can't change your life. And if it did, tell me how it changed your life. Don't tell me about what you did over there. I want to know, I want to see a longer lasting impact. Finally, it's called the Jesus essay. 2 things you never talk about in essays or stay away from is politics and religion. You never know what people believe in. I mean, if you have to talk about it, but try to stay away if you can.